out here with Linda. How's it going?
Good.
Woo! So it's nice to have you here today at Skydive Surf City. Tell everybody, what are we doing?
We are going to jump out of a plane.
Nice. You excited about this?
Absolutely.
So just have fun up there. Scream, yell, big smile. And is there any special occasion behind all this?
No, I just wanted to do some fun on the bucket list. You
Nice.
know, you got to do at least one.
Good stuff. So, you got any shout outs, any famous last words before we get on up there?
Just do it. Woo!
Let's do it.
Yeah. Oh my God. It's crazy.
Good job up here.
It's beautiful though. I love this. You gotta come to Santa Cruz to do it.
First
It's
off,
beautiful.
give me a high five, you rock that. We're just floating up here nice and peaceful. So, Linda, woo, you rocked it.
Oh,
Very
thank you.
smooth, very smooth. So,
Thanks for getting us in one piece.
we flipped, we flew, landed on the beach in the sand of all things. So,
Oh, awesome. Oh my God.
you have fun up there?
Oh, it was amazing. I had so much fun.
Thanks for choosing Skydive Surf City. Amazing job up there.
Thank you.
One good smile.